black female, 20s, 5'4" thin.
This would also be the alley north of Magnolia.
And she is wearing just a bra and boxers.
Well, that's not good.
Clear. Clear.
ESC dispatch.
Clear.
6221's call.
It's in the alley behind
Where y'all going?
752 Jessamine in the alley.
752 Jessamine in the alley.
3 minutes.
How old the call is, that's the other problem.
60 right there.
You can enjoy the University of Pascal for that view. University.
Sir, step over here, please. That's fine. Step over here. We'll talk to you privately while he talks to her. Just step over here by the
Well,
garage.
2, can I get the CNC?
Yeah, no, that's fine. They got no
She's
problem.
drunk.
2 case number is going to be 162 902
All right, so what's
162 902.
My baby woke me up. I'm finna tell you. My daughter woke me up.
Copy, thank
She's
you.
over there.
I'll
She's
be
over
clear with
there
the
at
stop
the
and
neighbor's
can
house.
you show me on TTV at lower 90? Copy that.
Don't look at her, okay?
I was in the house sleep. I woke up. My 1-year-old woke me up out of my sleep. I come looking for her. She's all the way at the neighbor house drunk. She's at the neighbor house drunk. I'm just letting you know what happened. At the neighbor house drunk. I said, Deanna, come here, come on. She comes around, she's drunk, belligerent. You know, I put on my stuff, ass naked, and I left. And my car's, that's my car, it's in her name. You know, and we've been doing it, so that's my car. I get back and forth to work. You know?
Somebody said she was drunk.
Yeah, she said she wanted to be here.
Step back!
128, just checking your status.
I'm not going to hurt her, but we don't want her to come over here.
Code 4. Copy that. Code 4 is 5 minutes.
Yeah, of course. Is that your car?
Yes.
Here's the deal. He's going to leave.
Yeah.
Just cuff her. We're going to cuff her until you leave. Cuff her until he leaves.
Thank
Cuff
you
her.
so much.
Yeah, you bet.
I don't even know how appreciative I am.
Does she have a car?
They're just holding you until I leave.
Does she have a car too or not?
No, she just lost her.
Because, why is that? All right. Who's got the keys?
I do. They're in my
Where are you going?
home.
All right. We're just going to have him leave.
Clay County reserving LPAC 1 for a possible pursuit. Go ahead. Denver. 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 Squad 215. 215. This squad to assist on a robbery, Marianne Thomas. There's a male male came up to comp saying he was beat up and the suspect stole his phone and cash. Comp also states the male is talking nonsense and sounds very intoxicated. 2 and 5 copy.
Why?
10 to 11 to show your bonus at 8 minutes. 202, I copy that. Copy, thank you.
So,
116. Be clear advised with 112. I'll start heading towards your 911 hang up.
We spotted back to 2152 7th Street west of the Highway Motel. Caller gave the name of the hotel, a clothing description, hung up. On callback, they gave it again, and then hung up again. Unknown if it was a male or female caller. Said someone was wearing a white tank top, gray shorts, a black backpack. Unknown what the problem is, and voicemail and additional callbacks.
164, you can break me. I'll call it.
Yeah, correction. It sounds like there's an unknown person that dropped.
Copy. And 116, previous calls, caller is possibly Andrea Davis.
116 copy, thank you.
10 minutes.
164, do we have a room number for caller by chance? 6103. You know, he's 5 sir.
Negative. All previous have been at 691 Bedford or somewhere on DeSoto, just for info.
Copy.
At 10 minutes.
4454, 8362.
Hey! You break that window, you're going to jail!
And 116, it's going to be actually Dondria Davis, possible male caller for previous.
116 copy.
Well, here we are.
11 minutes.
Yeah. Don't you have them? You got the key. Do you have the keys? Pat. You have the keys, Pat? I want to get rid of him.
River Squads West Central Plate Council 2 for a break at 12 minutes.
I'm not drunk, sir. Okay, then I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You want to go home or you want to go to jail?
I want to go home.
You're bullshit.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Just get up.
I'm just trying
Just
to
get
get
up.
home to my kids.
Just get up. Can you move your squad?
Huh?
Can you move
I'm
your
sorry.
squad?
What?
Can you move your squad.
A scar? Back?
Yeah.
No. Please, I'm sorry. I've been paid already. I've been.
No, shut your mouth.
Okay, back.
Who's got him? You?
116.
Okay, you want to take
160.
They called back again, gave the highway motel, gave the description, and then hung up again with no answer on callback times 2.
60 copy.
So obviously we got a domestic here that's a little bit dicey. Drunk female. The male was sober. We tried to help him get in his car. His car won't start. Officers are going to give him a ride to the light rail. She started kicking on the windows in the squad. She didn't break them, thank goodness. But she's totally out of control. Totally out of what? Pardon me? Why?
I'm not trying to be.
Hearing additional suspect and photo squads on the shooting in the east.
Her behavior is under this.
Their name is Sig,
You'll check on the
and
kids
a larger
and
black
right?
male drove the suspect to the location while
Alright,
holding
so-
him at gunpoint. Victim got out of the
Obviously,
vehicle, 6 shots
we
there.
try not to arrest people, but sometimes they earn their
Gentleman
way.
familiar with
Yeah,
them,
I understand
they're
that.
associated with
Earn
the
their way,
GMC
so-
Savannah van.
Well,
She's very intoxicated.
Involved
She's
here at
very
Hospital.
intoxicated. We'll see how intoxicated, but
Mhm.
so we'll see what happens. I've got a whim she might end up at detox yet, but then we got other issues.
Yeah.
She's earned her way. Earned her way to live on patrol. How's that?
Copy at 15 minutes. Good. Squad 229.
2970. Clear me assist on the other ship in there.
Copy that. 229, are you monitoring? Are you able to assist Marion and Thomas per current speaker?
Just give us a couple seconds here. We'll be clear from here shortly.
Copy.
Well, we'll see what's going on. Looks like. Are we leaving? Advised? Is not a very nice young lady. Would you say? Would that be a fair way to place it? Put it?
Yeah. Maybe real nice when she's not so drunk.
Real white shirt, black shorts.
Yeah. So nice. Little arguments can blow up, can't they?
Mm-hmm.
You think that guy's dome light's on? You think we should shut that off so he doesn't?
It's locked.
What?
It's all locked up.
Oh, that sucks. Not only would it not start. Let's just try that other door. You know, nothing really locks anymore.
Supporting party GOA, do you have a phone number for them? Phone number is 612-401-402.
Well, Maybe that's a good thing, Pat.
You know,
Maybe it won't be drivable tomorrow because the
Right.
battery will be dead, and maybe that's the kind of thing. You never know. Maybe she's got another set of keys. Who knows? So these guys aren't totally. Something's going. I'm gonna see what these.